Alright, welcome back to my channel, guys. Alright, so today I'm going to be using this little Shakespeare pole I picked up at Walmart, of course. It's only 20 bucks. And gonna set this up. Gonna do some trout fishing today out here in the Jemez. So hopefully there's some fish out here. I'm also gonna be filming on my DJI. Got my little setup here on my vest here. It's really nice out here today. You gotta be careful with these poles because they're so fragile. I've already been through like 4 of these already in the past year. I usually fish with my my other Shakespeare, but I thought I'd give this one a try. So today you're pretty much going to do, I'm not going to keep the fish. Show you guys all my hooks. It's pretty much all you need out here. The trout ain't that big. You're lucky if you catch like a little 2-pounder, 3-pounder pregnant. I'm not a professional fisherman, I just do it for fun. I don't know if you guys ever seen my other video on when I'm fishing in the snow, catching my fish in like 15 minutes. That was pretty quick. All I'm going to use today is a couple split shots, nothing too crazy. And I also bought some power bait. I'll try that out today, see how that works. It's a really nice day today, I'll tell you that. Alright, let's see what I can do. I'm gonna try out this salmon peach. See how good it is. I don't usually use power bait out here. I kind of use like worms. They say power bait's kind of like cheating, so I'll try this out. The river sounds nice though. First cast. I don't know if that was a bite or I just got stuck on some rocks. More likely rocks, I'm thinking. Let's try a random spot right here. This is what the river looks like going down. Looks pretty nice. Some deep little puddles here. I think I had a fish following it. Oh man, had a nice big trout following that one. Alright, one more throw. It's about 2 feet right there where I'm throwing it at. Alright, no luck. You could actually camp over here if you go down this road that I came on. You could actually, there's like some campsites, pretty nice. Anyway.